Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to use My PsycNet to personalize your search experience in APA PsycNet. I'll demonstrate how to create an account and how to use it to save searches, create search alerts, share search results, and much more. To get started, open APA PsycNet by going to psychnet.apa.org. Once everything has loaded, select the My PsycNet link on the upper right-hand side of the screen. If you're using APA PsycNet through a yearly Gold, Gold Plus, or Platinum package, or if you have purchased an APA PsycNet Direct Day Pass, then you already have an APA account. In this case, enter your ID and password to sign in. If, however, you're using APA PsycNet through your college or institution, you will not automatically have an APA account, though you can create one for free to manage your research. To do so, select the link that says Create an Account at the bottom of the login page. This link will take you to a registration form where you'll be asked to provide your name and email address and create a user ID and password. Once you fill in your information and agree to APA's privacy and cookie statement, select the Create Account button. Once you select the confirmation link sent to the email you just provided, you'll be ready to get started. Each time you use APA PsycNet, make sure you've logged into your account by selecting the Login link at the top of the page. Once you're logged in, you'll see your name. Let's start by conducting a quick search on the psychological benefits of pet ownership. In the search box, I'll type pet owner with an asterisk at the end of owner. Using an asterisk will capture articles that talk about pet owners as well as articles that talk about pet ownership. Select the search button to go to your results. On the results page, you'll see several buttons on the upper right-hand side of the screen that you can use to manage your search. Select the Save icon to save your search. Once you do, you'll be prompted to give the search a name so that you can easily identify it again. Once the search is saved, you can rerun it at any time by going to the My PsycNet link, also located on the upper right-hand side of the screen. You can also generate a permalink to share your results with other APA PsycNet users by selecting the icon located just to the right of the Save icon. If you want to know when articles are published on your search topic, create an email alert or generate an RSS feed by selecting one of the last two icons. While these options are great for managing the overall search, you may also just want to save one or two of the results you find for future use. To do this, check the boxes next to the items that you want to save. For example, I'll select the boxes next to a few items from my search. Next, select the star located just above the search results. This link will send the selected items to an APA PsycNet feature called My List. To access the results at a later date, select the My List link on the top right-hand side of the screen. As long as you're logged into My PsycNet account, you'll be able to access these items for as long as you need. From My List, select either the All checkbox or the checkbox next to a specific item, and then you can export, email, or print it by selecting the corresponding icons just above your results. These four icons in My List are the same that you see on the results page of APA PsycNet. When you no longer need an item, you can remove it with the Delete from My List button. You can also organize your research by adding tags or notes to the items. Let's wrap up this video by quickly walking through some of the features you can access by selecting the My PsycNet link located right next to My List. As I previously mentioned, you can go to My PsycNet to rerun your saved searches. In the Saved Searches tab, select the name of the search to rerun it, and access the results. From this tab, you can also edit, share, or delete a saved search. In this APA Psych Alerts tab, you can not only edit the topic email alerts based on searches you've created, but you can also set up additional citation alerts for items in APA's journals. If you're interested in setting up alerts for new APA journal issues or new APA books, you can do that at the Linked Preferences Center page. The APA PsycNet Purchases tab is where you'll access any articles or book chapters that you've purchased using APA PsycNet Direct. Also, if you signed up for the Gold, Gold Plus, or Platinum package, you can use the APA PsycNet Purchases tab to access these items. Last, the My Profile tab will allow you to make changes to your username and email address you've attached to your account. In summary, My PsycNet is a great resource for managing your search and its results, creating alerts to stay current on new research, and accessing purchased items. Once you set up an account, it's as easy as logging in and using the My PsycNet features to organize and manage your results. Thanks for watching. For more search tips and strategies, please see our YouTube channel or visit the APA website.